Let me ask you something. Do you like to be able to walk on down the road a piece and grab yourself a cup of joe and maybe a nibble? Or how about enjoying a plethora of cultural delights steeped in history? Well, welcome to Georgetown. Now, while you're here, may I show you around this beautiful, light and bright modern townhome? This delightful 2-year new end unit townhome lives large. This main level open concept features lots of glorious natural light. On this second level, you'll find 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and laundry closet. The top level features a generous primary suite, complete with sleek contemporary ensuite bath, walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings, and a private balcony. Thanks for joining us on this tour today. Please, don't miss this gem. Reach out to us today for a private tour. Thanks. Cheers.